Baby, I love your madness. It's so
OMG, hey guys, it's Shada here, and today I'm going to be filming a little different video than I usually film on my channel, but this is how you put on your green screens on iMovie, because I know this is a little new update and such, and put on different things and photos that have a green screen behind them. So if you want to see how to do that, keep watching this video. So make sure you subscribe, of course, like, and comment. If you comment, I will reply to you, and I'll subscribe to your channel and continue to watch your videos. So make sure you comment, guys. I love you so much. I'll see you later. Okay, I guess what I meant by say right back, I meant right here, because did not come right back at all. But of course, you want to create your movie like you usually would. Then you want to find your base. The base will be what your green screen will go on top of. I just found this cute little transition here that I like. Just a couple of colors just to show y'all how it's supposed to be. So once you find your base, which like I said, this will be my base, then you want to go into some which you want to be your green screen. Basically, the icon that you want on top. I like this little, I guess you want to call this a chat bubble. And you'll click on that and realize, whoa, that's not a green screen. That's not how I want it. I want it to be on top of my picture. Right. Click done. Then you'll see three little buttons. Click that, and then green and blue screen. This is how you will make it a green screen. You put it on top, give it a second, and boom, it's a green screen just like that. That's how that works. I think this is really cute and very beneficial, and I love this update from iMovie. Oh, you might be thinking, whoa, that was really cute. How do I make a icon of my own? This is just a random picture. You can go to the app called Eraser, and I'm just going to crop my picture down to make sure it's not as much white as possible, like so. And now my white's off, pretty much. Then you just go in and erase all of that stuff. I obviously did it quite messy because I was not worried about. I want to spare you guys all of that erasing. But yes, now you can make it a green screen. So all you have to do is click background that is on the app Eraser, like I said. Click the green one, of course, or the blue one. Guys, and literally all you have to do is save it to your camera roll, and then boom, it's there. And that's your little icon that you can make. You can find pictures off of Google and such and do this same thing. But I want to show you how to use this. And boom, like that, it's a green screen, y'all. Like, seriously, like, whoa, you can do that all by yourself. You can find green screens on YouTube. You can go on Google and look up green screens, like icons, and then erase it, make it a PNG, which is a transparent background. Then go in and put the green screen behind it like I did. And this is how you make it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded